What is going on, guys? Shin here from CZeroMedia. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to clean up this old hazy Ep.4 headlight so that it is nice and fresh and clear. First of all, if you haven't noticed already, I am filming on my cell phone because I just got back from the shop and I totally forgot to grab my camera. So I apologize for the lower than usual quality. In case you didn't check out the last video where I pulled off the bumper and headlight off the Ep.4, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that here so you know how to do that.
Got one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here,
and there's one more bolt down here.
pop it off.
It's hard to get with your fingers. Use a screwdriver, give it a little bit of force, pops it right out.
Man, all these little tips and tricks.
Alright, now that we're clear on how to remove the headlight off of an Ep.4, I'm going to show you how to restore this headlight so that it is nice and fresh. And I'm not talking about temporary fix, I'm talking about permanent fix. I did the same thing on my Datsun 280Z taillights. It looks great, it looks OEM, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So here is my Ep.4 headlight on the driver's side. As you can see, it is extremely hazy. It's horrible. You can hardly see what's going on inside of the lens. So what I'm gonna do is use the same method I like to use whenever I'm cleaning up taillights or headlights, and that is using sandpaper. The first thing I'm gonna do though is go ahead and clean this off with rubbing alcohol and dishing soap so that all these debris is nice and cleaned off. Alright, so now that the headlight is cleaned off, what I like to do is go ahead and take a 320 grit sandpaper and just kind of get rid of all this haze. And once that's done, I'm gonna go in here with a 2000 grit to kind of smoothen things out. Now, I tried to time lapse this with my cell phone. Unfortunately, I don't have a cell phone mount or anything right now, a cell phone stand, so it might be a little ghetto, but here we go. Here's what it looks like after, what grid was it? 320 grid. It looks super hazy now, but it's consistent. And that's what you're looking for. What you're gonna do now is the 2000 grid. Grab your 2000, wet sand it, and then let me just show you what that looks like. Alright guys, after the 2000 grid is done, it is still hazy. What you want to do is just clean it off. You know, I like to use rubbing alcohol to prepare any surface for paint. So I'm going to clean that off with rubbing alcohol and then go ahead and start spraying it. Here's a little taste of what it's going to look like, hopefully. But I'm gonna just wipe it off, let it dry, and then get the spray paint ready. Here is the final step. You wanna use a clear coat that is UV resistant and non-yellowing, like this one here, so that it lasts forever. So, you know, just spray paint this and let it dry. Unfortunately, I have to do this in the pitch darkness right now because tomorrow morning I'm gonna go back to the shop, get the engine out of the car, put the new 4B11 in it, and try to finish up the engine with a new headlight, new bumper, and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up, let it dry, and see what it looks like in the morning. Alright guys, so this is the day after. I cleaned off the headlamp, sanded it down, spray painted it, let it cure overnight. I did 3 coats of clear coat. And let me show you what it looks like now. Bam! Look at that. It's almost brand spanking new. Looks good, right? So this is how you clear coat a headlight. I know there's a lot of kits out there, and I said this in the previous episodes too, where I did headlight and taillight restorations. Those kits that you can buy from an auto store is a temporary fix. If you want to do it right, if you want to do it so that it lasts a long time, lifetime of the vehicle, you do it this way. You sand it down, clear coat it so that it's nice and sealed. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the garage where I'll be taking the 4B11 out of the car.